What are some uses of tilapia cichlids? Thanks for joining me again for another shared piece in my long series, on tilapia cichlids. Honestly, I never intended to have so many shares on this species. Based on experiences and questions I received from both you my viewers and fellow small farmers in tilapia rearing and trading, I opted to answer each area using a video. Today, the emphasis is on the uses of tilapia cichlids. I already shared that this fish species can be kept as pets and that they can become monster fish. Some species remain small, but that story is for another time, not necessarily a video. Let's look at possible use of this fish, so we are aware that like other fish species, tilapia is considered a food fish. Tilapia is high in vitamin B12, which helps your body make DNA, maintain its nervous system, and produce red blood cells. It's also low in fat, saturated fat, omega-3 fatty acids, calories, carbohydrates, and sodium, making it a healthy addition to any meal. Tilapia is also rich in phosphorus. Tilapia fish are sold as food fish, fillets and burger-type patties used in burger sandwiches. Tilapia cichlids are considered vegetarians. They forage on vegetation within their water space. Within some water spaces, vegetation is so thick, it prevents the free flow of water along channels. Tilapia cichlids can be used to control the existence of aquatic weed. Blue tilapia feed entirely on algae, both planktonic and filamentous, but do not readily consume submerged vascular plants. Red-belly tilapia feed primarily on submerged vascular plants rather than algae, but most pond managers prefer triploid grass carp for control since grass carp offer multiple-year control and are easier to manage. Because tilapia are tropical fish, they cannot survive normal winter water temperatures in most of South Carolina. Annual restocking is generally necessary unless a warm water supply, such as thermal spring or power plant cooling reservoir, is available as a refuge where the fish can overwinter. Tilapia are stocked at a rate of 200 to 400 fish per acre in the spring. The higher rate has been demonstrated to achieve faster control in approximately 1 month. Tilapia do reproduce and their offspring also assist in the control of aquatic plants. Another use of tilapia fish is adding it to aquaponics systems. Tilapia cichlids are heavy poopers. They consume a lot and release waste containing nutrients considered useful to plants and vegetables. Many aquaponics farmer uses this fish within their system. Some do consume the fish as they age, others trade these fish along with their vegetables and flowers grown within their aquaponics setup. In addition to the above mentioned, tilapia fillet are used as bait for fishing and as a food source for monster fish. It can also be used to feed smaller fish, but in smaller portions. Some fish are strictly carnivore, depending heavily of high-protein diet to remain healthy. Some fish keepers actually use the tilapia filler, purchased at the local supermarket, to actually feed their aquarium fish stock. In addition, tilapia fillet can be used as bait on your fishing line. They are used similar to how shrimps are placed on hooks and placed in the lake or a river or sea, with the intention of catching even a super larger fish. The trick is, not to use fillet that has been frozen, not those which have been cleaned at your grocery store. It would be best to get your stock at the local meat shop freshly caught. Whilst some may suggest that tilapia fillet is a lousy choice for bait, the possibility is not difficult to conceive or become a reality. It is hoped that this share gave you some insights on the possible uses of tilapia cichlids, other than serving as a meal. I am out.